Getting the best cool mist humidifier is important if you want to get your purchases real value. Generally, humidifiers are devices that help prevent a lot of unpleasantness that comes with dry air. They do this by adding water or moisture to indoor air to increase the humidity level because, during the winter time, it can often be scorched. Humidifiers do more than prevent unpleasantness and protect your health. There are many products available to choose from best cool mist humidifier, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best cool mist humidifier from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vicks Filter Free Ultrasonic Visible Cool Mist Humidifier. Vicks Filter Free Ultrasonic Visible Cool Mist Humidifier is a quiet humidifier that works on the ultrasonic humidifier system, so it does not require replacement filters. Vicks Filter Free Humidifier is a great choice for medium rooms, baby rooms, and children's rooms because it is quiet during use. It is also easy to maintain, and has a 1.2-gallon tank that can give up to 30 hours of soothing mist. It also comes with many key features like an automatic shut-off when the minimum water level is, and a HumidiStat monitor humidity. Most customers who have used the Vicks Filter Free Humidifier have given positive reviews, with 54% of 942 customer reviews, giving it a 5-star rating on Amazon. Number 2. Air MA1201 Humidifier. Air is another top humidifier brand that produces great humidifiers with many positive customer reviews. Although not every customer is happy with Air humidifiers, some customers have complained about noise levels and refilling the tank frequently. The Air MA1201 is a whole house humidifier with a 3.6-gallon tank. It uses a self-regulating evaporative system and is capable of humidifying up to 3600 sq.f. The MA1201 weighs 13.5 ibs, which you should expect for a whole house humidifier. It also comes with many features that make it easy to use, like a filter change indicator, which lets you know when to change the wick filter. Other features include a HumidiStat auto mode, low water indicator, and an automatic shutoff. The main downside of the MA1201 is the noise. Most users gave bad reviews on loud noise, even on the low setting. There is also an issue with its dated design and bulky appearance, making it look quite unattractive. Number 3. Air Innovation MH701BA Humidifier. A classy 2-in-1 appliance with a bag full of features, the Air Innovation MH701BA Humidifier is the best-in-class humidifier available in the market today. With its sleek and stunning design, this popular product is perfect for blending with your beautiful home decor. Also, its large water tank offers up to 96 hours of smooth and efficient service. It is a whisper-quiet humidifier that operates with an unbelievably low sound. Moreover, the fine and thin mist that this advanced humidifier produces makes it a much more suitable choice even for vulnerable populations like patients with asthma, sinus, and so on. The smart control panel of the appliance offers relatively easy usage through the convenient remote control. It consists of a lavish circular digital screen surrounded by top-quality touch buttons. The unit features an antibacterial base along with impressive ceramic filters for added convenience in terms of hygiene. Number 4. Honeywell Designer Series Cool Mist Humidifier. Honeywell Cool Mist Humidifier is a compact and hygienic humidifier that comes with some of the handiest features. It is easiest to refill units, thanks to the user-friendly top-fill design with the white tank opening. Moreover, this premium device is a well-finished unit with an adjustable mist outlet and a highly functional illuminated tank window. Besides, the no-filter unit, coupled with UV light purification, offers a smoother and more productive performance without compromising your ambience's hygiene. The humidifier also features an additional essential oil therapy that allows you to add drops of mood-refreshing aromatic oils, spread all around your environment consistently. Number 5. Levoit Warm and Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. Levoit Ultrasonic Humidifier is a large and powerful humidifier that is suitable for bulkier operations. It has a strong unit that blows mist at a fast and powerful rate to quickly affect great surroundings up to 753 sq.f. in area, with a high 450 ml per hour speed. Moreover, this large unit, with a capacity of 1.5 gallons, won't demand any refilling for durations as long as 3 days. The device also comes with an easy touch-operated control panel, with a large LED screen that allows altering the type of mist to warm or cool. You can also control the unit using the handy and good quality remote control. The unit is compatible with essential oils to enjoy a refreshing aroma, along with the comfortable mist. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.